Right, so we have this little thing that we bought, and it unlocks the door. And here is our room. Where are the lights? Oh, I'll have to get the lights on first. All right, let's turn these lights on. So this is our interior room. I believe we just got a guaranteed room because this particular ship was very expensive, but I like it. I kind of like the layout. We're used to like the bed being this way, and so it's kind of interesting with the bed being this way and us walking in this way. Here's the TV. It's nice, right in front of the bed, not at some awkward level. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty nice. Lots of room to store everything. This lovely little couch seat thing. I don't know what to call it, but it looks comfy and it looks great. I have another little desk here with a mirror. Then we have our drawers here. And then the last is we have our virtual balcony. Work on the wall. Okay. See the bathroom. Oh, look at that. So I have a nice shower. It looks very big. It's kind of roundish. It's nice. Very modern. Sleek towels. Then over here, we have another one of these. This one has the safe in it, and then some storage spaces, more hangers, and then down here there are drawers. And this little cubby hole right here if we want to. There's a trash can. There's a light switch here, and that lights up the mirror. There are 1, 2, 3 plugs, 1, 2 USB outlets, and it looks like the remote balcony, or the virtual balcony has a remote control. Okay, so the room that we have is not a balcony, and it's not a ocean view room. What it is a virtual balcony. So this is a real-time picture of what is going on outside. And if you see, it's not actually a window. It's a TV. See? Not a window. I think this is kind of cool. We have tons of drawer space. For anybody wanting to know, there is a hair dryer. There's all the books and stuff in there. And then just more drawers. Over here, there is a, well, it looks like it's a refrigerator. And the refrigerator has some kind of key lock on it. Not really sure why your refrigerator would need a lock on it, but it's definitely a refrigerator. Okay, we're not gonna mess with that. Keep it cool, but not cold. This appliance is a cooler, not a refrigerator. Okay. All right, that's about it for the room tour.